Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is day 2 in Pismo Beach. So yeah, and as you guys can see in the background is the beach, and all the waves are like all coming by. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and sit back and relax and enjoy. Wow. There's that pier that's been under construction for like a long time before I actually came here. I haven't been here for like a long time now, so it's been like 5 years. So long ago, before I started this YouTube channel, I remember coming to Pismo Beach when I was younger. And I mean, yeah, the last time I came here was back in 2015, and I think I started my YouTube channel, but I haven't been uploading yet. I mean, yeah, I really loved it here, and it's like all windy, and it's, I don't know, it's like, yeah, it's really nice here, so that's why I usually come to Pismo Beach. Really, yeah, I really like coming here, but what I like going to is San Francisco, like, better, because it's like, it's like in Northern California, but I think I'm almost close to Southern California, so yeah. Wow, it's really cool over here, and check it out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be trying some restaurant called Splash Cafe, because I think I've heard of it before, so yeah. This gotta taste good, you guys, so yeah. Oh, it's really good. They're like curly fries. Yeah. Alright folks, so we are staying on the 3rd floor at the Sandcastle Hotel at Pismo Beach. Alright, so when you walk in, it's like all nice over here, and back then this used to be called Sandcastle Saloon, and they actually had the blue awnings before when I was a little boy. So alright, you get 2 beds here, and it's really nice, and you get a TV, and right here you get tables and chairs, and you go over here. I think there's probably a fridge or something. I think so, yeah. Alright, so when you go over here, there's what you get here is the balcony. It's like really nice out here. It's just the balcony, you guys, and you get some chairs and tables here as well. So yeah. So yeah, that is our room tour. And oh, and also when you go over here, oh, that's just a robe in there. And you go over, also when you go over here, you get a nice bathroom here, and yeah, and you get really nice designs on the shower as well. And yeah, and there is some body wash and hair wash and all that. So yeah, that should be it. Alright, so I'm gonna try some steakhouse that me and my parents have been looking at. So it's called Mclintocks. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out, and this better be good, you guys.
This way.
Yeah, I got fish and chips, you guys. It's time for me to dig in. Alrighty, folks, let's try the fries. Oh my god, these are one of my favorites. Yeah, these fries are one of my favorites. These fries, yeah. This is why I actually got a lemon, just in case it's really hot. Sure, but after I stop recording, okay? Alrighty folks, so thanks for watching and stay tuned in my next YouTube video, and be sure to subscribe. So good night, you guys.